Idaho is known for potatoes and precious stones, but very soon, it could gain popularity for a completely different reason. The U.S. Department of Defense is planning to set up a mobile nuclear reactor prototype at the Idaho National Laboratory. The department is now asking the public to share its opinion on this novel installation. According to energy experts, mobile nuclear reactors are small, safe, and easily transportable. They can also address the growing energy demands. However, critics point out that mobile nuclear reactors raise safety issues and could be easy targets for terrorist attacks, especially during transportation. According to the U.S. Department of Defense, 2 mobile microreactor designs are being considered. Detailed descriptions are unavailable, as both are in their early stages of development. These high-temperature, gas-cooled reactors use enriched uranium as fuel. Do you think installing mobile nuclear reactors is a relatively dumb idea? Do share your thoughts in the comments section below.